brother's wife. So we planting tree and donating blood. Happy birthday, my elder brother's wife. Everybody should planting tree and donating blood. Thank you.
Plant a tree for your tomorrow. It's your tree that clears the air. Plant a tree, trees for India. Plant a tree today for all the world to share. Taste the breeze, it's life inside you. Make a promise to the earth. Plant a tree, now is the time to recognize the tree for all that it is worth. Shady place to rest in, make a place for birds to sing. Plant a forest for the future, for the breath of life begins with every spring. Plant a tree for your tomorrow. It's your tree that clears the air. Plant a tree, trees for India. Plant a tree today for all the world to share. Plant a tree today for all the world to share. Plant a tree today